Before the video gets started, I just want to offer words of encouragement for everybody. Anybody who is, working at something or trying to accomplish something, if you set that goal or goals for yourself, I just want to let you know that you can accomplish it. We have been trying to get this warehouse for well over a year, or a warehouse for over a year, and we finally have done it. So we're happy about that. Guys, I'm excited. Now, we finally got our warehouse. Look at this. We've been bringing stuff in already. We got our little AC unit right there. There's a warehouse door right there. This is the office over here to the right. We got the office right here. That's the office to the right there. It's dark in here because I don't got the lights off because got the lights on because we're leaving, but you guys will get to see more of this tomorrow. What is this? Why this box is right here? Put that right there, but we put our shelving in here. We got shoes and stuff. That chair, somebody has to pick that up Thursday. They bought that and they got it for very cheap, and we started to move stuff in. It's going up for auction. We don't have too much stuff in there. The bathroom, I'm not going to really show the bathroom because it's not clean yet. The office is not clean yet. They did not clean this place before we got it, which I think is pretty messed up, but you see the floor is dirty in here. We just put these up here temporarily, this one and that big one, because there's no blinds in that one, and those two. So we're gonna put new blinds up in here so you have privacy. We're gonna change that blind because it looks very dingy as hell. We're gonna paint the walls because she told me they painted, but they definitely didn't paint. You can see the walls. That's our AC unit. The walls dingy right there, but this is the office, and that's missing a knob, so I guess it'll be nice and replace that. And yeah, so this is the office. It's gonna be really more so the chill room. I turn the lights off in here because I'm gonna be mostly out here. And we got an AC unit up there. And did I not turn the light off? Okay, yeah, it is off. That's outside. Okay. So this is the surprise right here, guys. We're getting it together. We got internet and TV coming in here, and I'm about to get up out here. Got some cobwebs in here. This place been vacant for a while, so we'll get the cobwebs taken care of. So y'all, there goes our warehouse. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. So that's us right there. So that's us. Let me know what you guys think. Overlapping on the paint. This is the, make sure this is secure. I need nothing falling down. I don't know if somebody built in shelving and stuff. Got some paint. Some of the gray paint on the shelving. So you feel the AC unit. The AC ain't that great because this is one right there and then one in the office, so I don't think it's really gonna cool. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to unload and then I'm about to unload. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah.
Goodbye. Bye.